Come on, back to my damn. I almost went to sleep on y'all. Really, I did. I just kind of dozed off. Uh, yep. Nope. 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 Here we go. Now we're getting there. Your channel. Now we're going to my channel. Come on. Let's go to my channel, bitch. All right. Here we go. Now, there's my link where my links are hid. Now, these are the app, page 10. No, that's the 10. Yeah, this is the the app uh funnel that has the little bit of explanation about the business part of it. Okay, college parents, another video, but this is from Vimeo. Now this is the one for the free app download and upload to your link of your cards, and it explains everything and does it. And you can even actually click that and go get. Excuse me. You can go get your app and download it from that location by that link. Okay, now this link here is for this link here is for dadgummit, my Talk Fusion 2. Dadgummit, no, it's killing me. All right, now we've got it, and what I'm gonna do now. That's the one to the Talk Fusion. Now this is the one to the AI viral downline video. Watch this. Click, and here it comes. It's gotta be. No, this is not that one. There's a 1 day free trial, and then no, this is the stop one. Okay, watch this video, y'all.
Stop scrolling right now because this changes everything. Imagine building a downline without talking to anyone at all. This is Emily, your personal 24/7 AI recruiter. She explains the system, handles objections, and answers every question. People everywhere are watching their matrix fill completely automatically. Total beginners with zero experience are finally winning consistently. Tap on Emily right now to see how fast this can work. Then hit the More Info button to unlock your free 7-day trial.
Per dadgum quick. That was
Stop scrolling right now because this changes everything.
that's a
Imagine
short
building a
video.
downline without talking
Let
to
me go
anyone
ahead
at
and
all. This is Emily, your
let me go ahead and pause it. We've got it out of that, and then we're gonna get out of this. I think. I hope. And bam. Now I'm back to where I was. Okay, see, like I said, I do take. Um, This video is only 36 seconds long, and this is a picture of Emily. And then here you can actually talk to her. You want to talk to her? Let me see if I can get to talk to her for a minute.
Hello, my name is Emily, and I'm the assistant here for AI Viral Downline. Who do I have the pleasure of speaking with today?
Well, Emily, this is Billy Scoggins again.
Hey, Billy. Great to see you
I'm
again. I'm here to help
Right.
you get started.
Right.
So,
What
Billy,
I'm trying. Hold on just a second.
yeah, no problem,
Okay.
Billy.
Okay. What I'm doing is I'm recording our little session right here, so I can upload it to my YouTube to get some people to click on the link.
That's awesome, Billy. I love the initiative. Using video content is a smart way to get people interested in what we're doing here. So once folks watch your video and click through, they'll land right here where I can welcome them and guide them to claim their free position. That's where the magic starts. Is there anything specific you'd like me to help clarify for your viewers before they register?
Well, I really don't know what to tell them, except it's very interesting, and it is it, um,
Yeah, I hear you,
yeah.
Billy.
Go ahead, Emily, and tell them what the system's all about.
You got it. Here's what I'd say to your viewers. Hey everyone, Billy here. I want to show you something really interesting, AI Viral Downline. It's a system that combines an AI social media posting tool with a unique opportunity to build income. The tool posts content for you automatically, 4 times a day for 28 days with done-for-you branding and images. The tool posts content for you automatically, 4 times a day for 28 days with done-for-you branding and images. No complicated setup, no experience needed. The best part? You can try it completely free for 7 days. Just click the button, claim your free position, and see how it works. Once you're in, I'll be here to answer every question and show you the full picture. It's simple, it's free to start, and honestly, it's worth checking out. How does that sound for your video, Billy? Want me to adjust anything?
That sounds great, Emily, and
Awesome.
I'm gonna go in here and go upload it to my YouTube channel, and then I'm gonna go build a couple of thumbnails, really exciting thumbnails.
That's perfect, Billy. You're doing all the right things. Great thumbnails will.
I'm trying to. I'm trying to. Thank you for your help this afternoon.
Uh huh. You're so
Talk to you
welcome, Billy.
later.
Thanks so much for your time today, Billy. I'm excited to see what you create with those thumbnails. You're going to do great bringing people into this opportunity. And hey, once your viewers click through and register for their free 7-day position, I'll be right here to welcome them and answer all their questions. Keep crushing it.
Thank you very much. All right. Well, I hope y'all got all that, and that she is an AI super bot. She can tell you how to get started and go through and everything. And even they've even got it hooked up. They're going to do it. I think it's either you're going to do it this weekend or Monday. They're going to introduce the superpowers of Emily. So she can actually, if you forgot your password, she can help you get back in. As long as you know all the ins and outs, she can answer all your questions. Okay. Now, thank you for stopping in and joining me today. And if that don't whet your appetite, you're not hungry. I'm hungry. I'm very hungry to get started. Here we go. We're going to stop recording. Let's see. Stop share. Bam. Stop share. We're back in the saddle again. And we're going to